I began to get involved at the YMCA when my children were 4 and 5 years old, and I enjoyed seeing them progress over the years in swimming, and I decided that I needed to get more involved. When we start the season, we have our parent meeting and we educate our parents on how the program works, how they get involved in the program and volunteering. And then we talk about the organization of how to run a meet. They could be total chaos if they're not organized well, or they could be a lot of fun. The whole thing is that the kids have fun. The parents will eventually have fun. They'll catch on to the events, but it's mainly for the children. It's for the kids. We have so many swimmers that live in different environments. It's so important that they have that opportunity to be able to swim, to be able to get involved. And the Y campaign allows them to do this. As a Y volunteer, the feeling in my heart is full. They helped my family when my children weren't going to be able to swim because I didn't have the money. They helped them as swimmers, and now they're wonderful swimmers, and I thank the Y for doing that for us.